Welcome back, everybody. We got a really nice Jeep for you today. The 2008 Jeep Sahara. This is a two-door with a factory hardtop, factory trailer tow pack. It's got a perfect Carfax on it. It's solid and clean. It's not all rotted out. It's very well maintained. Does have factory air conditioning, automatic transmission, auxiliary line in, power windows, locks. It's got tilt, cruise, CD. Real nice Jeep. All serviced up, ready to go. Three-month, 4,500 mile complimentary service contract is included on this vehicle. Guaranteed credit approval is also valid on this vehicle. Get into these Jeeps starting at $1195 down. 4x4 Sahara, clean Carfax, guaranteed credit approval. Only one place, DasCleveland.com.